there, it's Marion Herbertson here from my home office in the south of England. Now, I want to teach you something today that I think you will find very, very useful. And basically, it's how to easily create great images for your website, for posting to Facebook, your Google Plus sites, anything of that sort. As you know, an image speaks 1,000 words. So it's absolutely brilliant to be able to use this. Now, I normally use Photoshop, but a great friend and colleague of mine, Sonia Harris, actually mentioned this to me, and I was blown away by how easy it is. So today's topic is how to easily create great images. The site I want to take you to is called brainyquote.com. Can you see that there? Brainy, B-R-A-I-N-Y, quote.com, right? And when you get there, it's an absolute treasure trove of things that you can do, and that will help enhance anything that you do online. So you've got all the popular topics that you can look at: inspirational, motivational, love, life, funny, happiness, etc., etc. Let's look at authors by their surname. So let's go looking for Albert Einstein, right? Because I think he's just amazing. So let's look at that. Okay. So, quotes by, let me have a look. Albert Einstein, there we go. So let's choose good old Albert. Okay, there we go. All right. Now, here are some famous quotes by Albert Einstein. And as you can see, they're all in text format. And you can actually just post them straight to Facebook and straight to Twitter as is. However, let's look at this little option here. You see this little camera here? So I really like this quote here because it's so relevant, isn't it? The world is a dangerous place to live, not because of the people who are evil, but because of the people who don't do anything about it. Right, so let's click on that camera and look at the enhancements that you can make to this. Now that's loading up, right? And get this little message. Now, can you see here? Initially, it's just put on a blank background for you, or in a default image. And now you can make a million changes to it, right? First of all, here are some images that you can choose, and you can choose them as simple as that, just by clicking on an image that you want to try out. Okay? So let's try some different images. Let's have a look at that. Oh, that's rather nice, isn't it? Let's have a look if there's something more relevant. Okay. Oh, look at that. Okay. All right, look at that. All right. That's absolutely brilliant, isn't it? Now, and it's so relevant as well. Okay. So we've got our image, right? Or if you didn't want an image, you could actually go for patterns, just simply by choosing any one of these here, right? Simple as that. Ooh, there's a nice frame there as well, but yeah, I like the one we've got there, right? So you see what I mean? You can also choose various effects by using the filters, right? And you can browse through all of this, and it's as simple as just clicking on each one, and if you don't like it, just click out of it. It's as simple as that, right? So you're coming back to photos now. All right, so this is the one you chose. This is the one you like. Okay, now let's look at the text editing. So here at the top is the main quote, and then of course you've got the author's name, right? And if you wanted to change things, it's as simple as dragging that little bar around, right? So yeah, there we go. That's about it, I think. You can change the text color if you wanted to. But I don't think I do actually. I rather like the white. So I'm going to click back on the white there and choose that. Right? Okay. So text color white. And now this here, this is the author's name here, And do you notice that you can change anything at all just by playing with, all these various things here? The only things you can't change, do you see it changes into a little circle there, a no-go circle? So you can't change the actual quote, and you can't change the author's name, right? But I can actually say that I would like to make the author's name a little bit bigger so it's more visible. Oh, and this is not even giving me the option to bold it or anything else. All right, so I can just, yep, so this is not giving me the option, but I can play around with the top bit there. All right, so now I'm happy with my picture. So it's as simple as save and share. Okay, it's saving your image there, right? So there's your image. Now you could actually share it directly to Google Plus, Facebook, Pinterest and Twitter from here. However, what I like to do is to click on the image so that you get a bigger version, right? Right click your mouse button on it, click view image so that you're just getting the image itself, and then right click again and then click on save image as, and then save it to whatever folder you want to. Now I've got an images folder on my desktop, so I'm going to save that as Albert Einstein quote. And I'm going to save it as quote 2 because obviously I have another one there already, right? So I save it there, and that's it. It's there ready for me to use to post on a blog or Facebook or anywhere else that I want to use. All right, I hope you found that useful and have a lot of fun with it. Thank you.